Are you looking for small business tips that can help you make money from home? If so, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will share 15 different strategies that you can use to start and grow your small business. Many of these tips are applicable to businesses of all sizes, so don't feel like you need to have a huge operation in order to take advantage of them. Welcome to Money Invest. If you're looking for more small business tips and advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We share new content every week that can help you start and grow your business. 1. Start small. When it comes to small businesses, it's always important to start off small and gradually grow your enterprise. This is especially true if you're just starting out and don't have a lot of experience in running a business. Trying to do too much too soon can be overwhelming, and it's more likely that you'll end up failing if you take on too much at once. So start small and take things one step at a time. You'll be glad you did. 2. Focus on a niche. The most important thing for any small business owner is to find their niche and focus on it. Trying to be all things to all people is a surefire recipe for failure. It's much better to identify a specific group of people who have a specific need and then focus all of your efforts on meeting that need. Not only will this make it easier to market your business, but it will also help you to create a unique selling proposition that will set you apart from the competition. Furthermore, by focusing on a niche, you'll be able to develop a deep understanding of the needs of your target market, which will allow you to better serve them. 3. Create a marketing plan. Marketing is vital for any business, but it is especially important for businesses that are just starting out. Without a solid marketing plan, it can be difficult to generate interest in your products or services and build a customer base. Fortunately, there are a number of steps you can take to create an effective marketing plan, even if you're working with a limited budget. One of the most important aspects of marketing is research. You need to spend some time understanding your target market and what they are looking for. Once you have a good understanding of your audience, you can start to develop messaging and strategies that will resonate with them. It is also important to set realistic goals and objectives for your marketing campaigns. If you're working with a small budget, you may need to focus on cheaper methods of marketing, such as social media or content marketing. However, even with a limited budget, it is possible to create a successful marketing plan that will help you reach your desired customers and grow your business. 4. Build a website. In today's digital world, it's important to have a strong online presence. A website is the perfect platform to showcase your products or services and reach a wider audience. Plus, a website can help you build credibility and establish your brand. If you don't have any experience in web design, there are plenty of tools and resources that can help you get started. Once your website is up and running, be sure to promote it through your other marketing channels. And creating a website for your small business is easier than ever before. In fact, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few hours with no experience necessary. All you need is a domain name and a web hosting account. Once you have these two things, you can use a drag-and-drop website builder to create your site. If you want something even easier, there are now website-in-a-box solutions that will take care of everything for you. No matter which route you choose, having a website is one small business tip that can make a big difference. If you don't have a website for your small business, you're missing out on a valuable opportunity to reach more customers and grow your business. 5. Use social media. Social media is a powerful tool that can be used to promote your small business. Create accounts on popular platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram and start sharing your content. Be sure to post regularly and interact with your followers. Social media is also a great way to build relationships with other small businesses and partners. By using social media, you can reach a larger audience, connect with potential customers, and create a community around your small business. Don't underestimate the power of social media marketing for small businesses. It's one of the most effective and affordable ways to reach new customers and grow your business. These small business tips should help you get started on the right foot. Remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to succeed as a small business owner, but if you are willing to put in the work, you can achieve your goals. 6. Start a blog. A blog is a great way to share your expert knowledge and connect with potential customers. Plus, it can help improve your search engine ranking and drive traffic to your website. Blogging is a great way to share your small business story, connect with customers, and attract new leads. By starting a blog, you can reach a larger audience, build credibility, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. If you're not sure how to get started, there are plenty of resources available that can help you. So don't miss out on the benefits of blogging for small businesses. It's an affordable and effective way to reach new customers and grow your business. 7. Offer discounts and coupons. Who doesn't love a good deal? Offering discounts and coupons is a great way to attract new customers and keep existing ones coming back for more. Plus, it can help boost sales during slow periods. There are a few things to keep in mind when offering discounts and coupons. First, make sure the discount is significant enough to entice customers. Second, don't offer too many discounts or coupons, as this can devalue your products or services. And finally, be sure to promote your discounts and coupons through your marketing channels. 8. Collaborate with other small businesses. Collaborating with other small businesses is a great way to reach a new audience and create joint marketing opportunities. Plus, it can help build relationships with other small business owners. There are a few things to keep in mind when collaborating with other small businesses. First, make sure you are both promoting products or services that complement each other. Second, agree on a marketing plan that outlines how you will promote the collaboration. And finally, be sure to communicate regularly and work together to achieve your goals. 9. Get involved in your community. Getting involved in your local community is a great way to raise awareness for your small business. Attend community events, join local chambers of commerce, or volunteer for a cause you care about. By getting involved in your community, you can connect with potential customers, build relationships with other small businesses, and give back to the community. Plus, it's a great way to show your support for local causes and organizations. When you join your community, there are a few things to bear in mind. First, make sure you are able to commit the time and resources needed. Second, choose activities that align with your small business goals. And finally, be sure to follow up with the people you meet and stay connected after the event. 10. Offer free samples. Offering free samples is a great way to introduce potential customers to your products or services. Plus, it can help build trust and credibility. When giving free samples, there are a few things to consider. First, make sure the sample is representative of your product or service. Second, don't offer too much, as this can be costly. And finally, be sure to promote your free sample through your marketing channels. 11. Sponsor a local event. When trying to make money from home with a small business, one option is to sponsor a local event. This can be a great way to increase brand awareness and generate new leads. If you're interested in sponsoring an event, the first step is to research different events that align with your target market. Once you've found a few potential events, reach out to the organizers and ask if they would be interested in partnering with your business. If they are, be sure to get all the details in writing so that there are no misunderstandings later on. Sponsoring an event can be a great way to grow your small business, but it's important to do your homework first and make sure that you're partnering with the right event. 12. Make it easy for customers to pay. One of the most important when starting a small business is how you will accept payments from customers. In the past, cash was the preferred method of payment for many small businesses. However, today customers are more likely to pay with debit or credit cards. As a result, it's important to have a way to accept card payments. There are several options available, such as point-of-sale terminals, mobile credit card readers, and online payment processors. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the right one for your business. 13. Keep overhead costs low. One of the benefits of working from home is that you don't have many overhead costs associated with rent or utilities. However, there are still some overhead costs that you need to be aware of, such as insurance, internet, and phone. When starting your small business from home, it's important to keep the overhead costs as low as you can. One way to do this is to negotiate with your service providers for lower rates. Another way is to work with other small businesses to share resources such as office space or equipment. By keeping your overhead costs to a minimum, you can free up more of your budget to reinvest in your business. 14. Get creative with marketing. Marketing is one of the most important aspects of running a small business. Without effective marketing, it will be difficult to reach your target market and generate new leads. One creative marketing idea is creating free resources, such as ebooks or webinars. Click the link in the description to get started creating your own ebooks and reports in minutes. With Scribble, there's no need to type any words. Just let the app do all the work for you. Another option is to partner with other small businesses in your area and cross-promote each other's products or services. By getting creative with your marketing, you can reach a larger audience without breaking the bank. 15. Stay organized. One of the keys to success when working from home is to stay organized. This includes keeping track of your finances, scheduling appointments, and managing customer data. Several software programs can help you stay organized, such as QuickBooks, Google Calendar, or Hootsuite. With a well-organized business, you can devote more time to other elements of your company. Do you have any small business tips to share? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching.